Hi everyone, so welcome to my English class. Today I am going to teach you what is open sentence. Okay, so in open sentence we focus about basic mathematics. Okay, so with this lesson I will teach you what is open sentence and how can we work out in the open sentence. Okay, so just go to the class. Okay, so in here we have open sentence, and the question is, what is open sentence? So just read with me. Open sentence is a quotient. Okay, so it's quotient with missing number. Okay, a quotient with missing numbers. These numbers, these missing numbers could be box. Okay, could be boxes, could be shapes, and could be letters. Okay, so again, when you say open sentences, that are kind of mathematics that we talk about the equation with the two sides, with the two equal sides, and maybe one side the number is missing, and those number is replaced by boxes. Okay, it could be boxes, and it could be shapes, and also should be letters. Okay, so here the example of the open sentence. So 12 plus y equals 30. Okay, and you know the missing number is y, and it replaced by the letter. Okay, and then you have to find the value of y. So how much is y in this open sentence? That 12 plus y equals 30. Okay, so to work out with this, to find the value of y, we have to use subtraction. Okay, subtraction method. Okay, so now I will teach you how to find the value of y. So how much is y in this open sentence? Okay, so first, you know, when we have to remove 12 out from this size. So if this one is positive, 12, so it's positive. Okay, so you can say 12 plus y and subtract 12 equal 30. So when you use subtraction method, when this side subtract 12, so you have to use a subtract 12 also. Okay, subtract 12 also. So in here you can remove it. Okay, so we can remove. So positive 12, negative 12, we remove it. Okay, so we have y, okay, and 30 minus 12. Okay, so 30 minus 12, so it equals 18. Okay, so now we can find the value of y. So y is 18. Okay, it's 18. So when you replace y to 18 in the box here, so 12 plus, so y we can find the value already. Y is 18. Okay, it's 18. So 12 plus 18 is 30. Okay, it's 30. So yeah, so now we can find the value of y. So again, this one is the open sentence, and then when you look at this one, the other side of the equation is missing or replacing with the box or with the letter, and then you have to look at the number. So the number is positive. When the number is positive, we have to use a subtraction method. Okay, we have to use the subtraction method. So in here, the way how we work out in the open sentence, and then we can find the values of y. Okay, So look at the other side. We have the other example here. This one is the open sentence also. And this open sentence, one side of the equation is replacing by a box, okay, a box. And then we have to find the value of a box. So how much is the number? So a box subtract 8 equals 12. Oh, I'm sorry, equals 2. Okay, so how can we calculate, how can we find, how can we work out with this box? How much the value of the number? Okay, so please analyze. So in this missing number, we can see negative 8. Okay, this one is negative 8. So when the number here is negative 8, we use addition method. Okay, so because it is a subtraction, so we use addition method. So we can write like this: box subtract 8, and then we use addition method. Okay, so plus 8. Why? Because we have to remove 8 away. Okay, we have to remove 8 away. Equals 2. So when this side we use addition 8 or positive 8, and also you have to place here positive 8. Yeah, keep it the same size. Keep it the same size. So now we can remove here. So we have a box. Okay, because negative 8 and then positive 8, we remove it. So we have a box. So a box equals this number. We have to calculate it. 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay, 2 plus 8 is 10. So now we know the value of a box. So a box equals 10. Okay, so now check out with this. Okay, we know the value of a box already. So how much is the box? So the box is 10. Okay, it's 10. So 10 subtract 8 equals 2. Okay, so the open sentence is correct. And then we can find the missing number in the open sentence. Okay, so the lesson come to the end. I hope you understand this lesson about the open sentence, and then you can calculate the missing number in these two sides. Okay, in these two sides. So again, to say in short, when you see the equation and then one side is replacing by a box or a letter or a shape, and then you have to look at the number with the missing number. When it is positive, you have to use a subtraction method. Okay, we have to use a subtraction method because we have to remove those numbers away. And look at the size. When it is a negative number in the missing part, we have to use addition method. Okay, because we have to remove this number away, and then we have to work out with the other side, and then we can find the answer or the value of the numbers. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.